What's good? Welcome back to my channel. Another unboxing. We're gonna do another shoe that just kind of came into my vicinity, and I was like, ah man, I gotta do it. I ain't tried it on yet, but it looked like fire, y'all. Definitely gonna keep it. Let's see what's going on with it. You know what I mean? I did that because I thought we was gonna stop and do another part, so you merge the video and all stuff, but we just gonna keep it going. So let's go. Unique box, man. Nike Air, orange on top. Usually it's like orange all the way around. What's that? Yeah, it's some kind of like turquoise and gray right there. The bottom is orange. Another Nike Air there. Y'all peep that. Y'all peep that. Oh, no, I'm wrong. Oh. Yeah, size 10. So, y'all see the verbiage. So I'll read to y'all. It says Nike sports shoes are manufactured to the exact specification of the champion athletes throughout the world, and then it goes into another language. So what that's unique about the shoes, and that's unique. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. So you see there, so they got the Huarache sign and they got the limited edition. So all right, so we're knocking over the camera. All right, so I've been doing y'all all the way wrong lately. All right, so you got the, to me, it's like the kind of dark beige mixed with a little, I want to say dark beige, it's dark beige, really, and be mixed with a little red or something. This is khaki or beige or whatnot. This is like the little dark turquoise, same color as the tongue. Down here, you got the Huarache sign, you got the white original laces, you got the mesh, oh, so soft. You got the black, so you kicking stuff. You ain't messing no colors up. The white is what's gritty up. You know, it's gonna be some right there. Black situation right there. Inside, you're gonna have the gray. Man, it's this is a unique Huarache, a unique shoe. I put this on, people were like, oh, where you get that from? Where you get that from? Yeah, Nike. Oh, by the way, this is like kind of transparent, but at the same time, I mean, man. Nope, all right, it don't work. So, at the same time, right here, Nike is transparent. This is black, but this is transparent, and it still has the Nike on there. It's dope all the way around, like Nike Air right there. The bottom, you just, this is what kills me about most shoes. The bottom, man, like if I like wear the bottom, like not wear the bottom. I'll say that. So when I put the shoe on, the most thing I'm worried about is not this part, that part, that It's the bottom, like I literally, I ruined the shoe. Because the bottom has a lot of story on it. It has like grids. Look at the lot of detail. Nike Air, and you step on it, it just gets dirty. It's just like, man. But yeah. The Huaraches, man. I always love Huaraches, but these are really unique and they doing the thing. They doing the thing. I'm just trying to make so many thumbnails, like it's ridiculous. But yeah, so many ways I can rock these. But yeah, it's one of them things, man. It's one of them things. Let's go with them. Let's go. Nike, y'all do your thing, man. I'm glad y'all made these available. Till next time, though, I'll see y'all later. Take care of each other. Long and D-Mac.